it's Holly, and it is September 7th when this video is coming out. Sorry about that, guys. Days are getting all mixed up for me. But I'm so excited because today will be the start of our KAL that we are going to be running from today, the 7th, September 7th, all the way till the end of November, which is, I believe the 30th. Yes, the 30th of November. And it is a baby blanket KAL. These baby blankets we are going to make are going to be donated to local pregnancy centers to just bring encouragement to these mothers that are having these babies. You know, a handmade blanket is a heartwarming gift. I got one with Squish when he was born from a lovely lady. She made me a little handmade blanket. We still have it. He still carries it around. It's getting wicked worn down because Squish is a monster. He's ruining it. But it really made me feel loved that somebody took the time to make me a blanket. So I want to do this for other moms. I know a lot of moms, there's a piece of lint on my nose, you guys. I know a lot of these moms that are going to these pregnancy centers might be young. It might be their first kid. They're a little scared. A nice handmade blanket would be a wonderful gift. So this KAL is going to run again from the 7th of September all the way to the November 30th. It's going to be hosted over on Instagram. So what you're going to do is you're going to make your blanket, take a beautiful picture of your blanket, then you're going to take a picture in front of whatever pregnancy center, help center for young women having babies you are donating it to, and then you will put those photos on Instagram and you will use this tag right here, Babies Are Blessings, KAL. And you will do that, and that will tag me because I'll be following the KAL. And then at the 30th, we are going to pick a couple of winners. I think we're going to do 2 winners. I don't have the prizes all together just yet, but there will be prizes. There's going to be a crochet, one of my bags I make will be a prize. There will definitely be some yarn prizes. There'll be some other things. I'm super, super excited about this. I am going to be making a baby blanket and donating it to our local shelter too. I know, I don't like making blankets, but this is a big deal. I really felt touched and loved when somebody made me one, so I want to make one and donate it too. So I'll be doing it. Al's going to be a part of it. I hope all of you join too. And like I said, there will be prizes. If you are not normally an Instagram user, it is not very hard to sign up for, and it is not very hard to use. All you do, it's just really easy. Just go on there, sign up, and like I said, be sure you can tag me, the proper pineapple. You can also, like I said, use the hashtags Babies Are Blessings KAL, and that way you will be entered into the giveaway. I'm super, super excited about it, you guys. So I hope you guys are too, and good luck. Oh, and whips count. So if you have a baby blanket that is maybe, you know, 50% done, I wouldn't go too much more than that. I mean, like if you're literally binding off, that's probably not going to count. But like whips, if you're like 50% done, go ahead, enter them in there too. It's great. You know, I just want to share the love with all these wonderful little babies that are being born. So I look forward to this. I can't wait to see all your guys' blankets. I will be in podcast taking some off of Instagram and showing them here on the channel so that everybody can see some of the pretty blankets that everybody's making and donating. And like I said, if you get a chance, follow that hashtag Babies Are Blessings KAL, so that way you can see all the blankets too. I can't wait to see what you guys enter. So I gotta get out of here so that I can get started on my baby blanket, because it's probably gonna take me all the way to November to make a baby blanket for realsies, y'all. So bye.